This is my brand new washing machine. And we have the type ASKO from Sweden. It's the Volvo of washing machines. Our old Miele broke down and it had a steel drum both inside and outside. But Miele decided to put plastic on the outside. But ASKO stays strong. Oh, 1600 spin. Cut this open. Opening. Cutting. Do we need this? No, we don't. So we throw it away. Do we need this? No, we don't. More plastic. Now look at this beautiful machinery. Straight from Sweden, the kings of Eurovision. Pretty cool machine. When you have new washing machines, you have to remove the traveling pins. We don't use wrenches like this. We use real tools like real men. And you obviously see this is 15. Of course it is. Everybody knows the sizes you have to use on these. Let's go! Now it's time to check the manual. Let's look at it right now. It doesn't include some plastic piece of junk, except for in here, but the outer part is steel. Probably rust-free. Connect the app. Brag about your convenient machinery. Help them improve something. And read the manual right now. And it's almost in place. But why isn't it? Because we need it level so it doesn't fall to the floor. Spot on. Spot on. In 1600, it is quite little noise. Really beautiful machinery. Only 1 minute left. Program is finished. Very clean laundry. Very clean.